Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat Spotlight. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat Spotlight, you should just go to Settings. After that we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about Snapchat app. Here in this list of app info, you will go to click First Stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by a like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.